Hi everybody, it's really unfortunate that I'm having to do this to give clarity to things I can't make any sense of myself. I haven't spoken to any media, whether it's from Kolkata or the national platform, after the demise of Sushant Singh Rajput. There are a lot of people who keep asking me that I'm sharing the poster of Dil Bechara, but why have I not shared a story with him, a picture with him, or written my heartfelt note or posted anything after his demise. I think for people like us, for whom it has been a personal loss, for people who have worked with him, who knew him, his thousands of fans and followers all over the world, everybody will have their own way of dealing with this shock and grief, and will find their own ways to cope up with it. I have lost my father this year in the month of March. Out of the blue, I just lost him, and I'm still trying to cope up with that, and then this shock reached us like lightning. So I would repeat myself that I have not said anything that is insensitive, disrespectful to Sushant, his friends, family and his followers. I am not aware who or which portal this is who is posting a quote of mine with my picture along with Sushant, and there are thousands of more people that are sharing it without even checking the authenticity of that news portal. If I have given this quote personally to any media portal, then it has to have some proof. There has to be an exchange of messages or WhatsApp or my voice message or a recording or anything that will have a proof that anybody from their news portal has contacted me or my PR agency. So before slamming me with hatred, and there are a lot of people who are writing that I should die, and I should, with all due respect to everybody, please go and check the authenticity of such news channels before you start slamming, trolling, showering people with your hatred and your venom. That what is the authenticity of that news portal, and what is the proof that I have spoken such a statement for somebody whose loss feels as personal as losing another family member. So please, before sharing such fake news, try and check the authenticity. Yes, I have mentioned somewhere that our society has turned suicide and suicidal cases into a social event nowadays, where everybody becomes a psychiatrist, everybody is a specialized doctor, and people troll, slam, throw hatred at each other, and it's kind of a celebration of just more negativity and hatred. This doesn't mean that I have said that it's a fashionable thing to commit suicide. I myself have faced a lot of ups and downs in my personal life. I have been very vocal and open about it. I have always told people that it's okay to be weak, to be vulnerable. It's okay to reach out for help and speak out loud when we know that we need help, and to reach out to our friends and family. I have been associated with many suicide prevention organization. I have run many a campaign for them. I have been so vocal about not hiding our scars and embracing them, because they tell stories of survival. So I would be the last person on this earth to come up with such a nonsense statement and such a vile comment and be so insensitive and disrespectful, not only to Sushant Singh Rajput but to so many thousands of people around us who are battling depression and who have mental health problems and who are struggling and trying to survive in this world. So it's my earnest request that before coming to conclusion, please try and find out the authenticity of such fake news portals who are really pushing us public figures to the edge and tormenting and torturing us to the T. Because I have just come back home to Kolkata after 3.5 months. I had just walked into an empty house where my father is not there anymore. I was just trying to rest for a while and then this bomb drops on my head. So whichever fake news portal is trying to gain attention is winning. Because my entire evening has gone for a waste. I am stressed. My hands were trembling. I suddenly started feeling cold. I am feeling sick right now and angry and broken. That why should this keep on happening to public figures? Because I myself don't know that I have said something as nonsensical as this. I don't want to name the news portal because I don't want to give them that prominence and that attention, but people who are sharing this fake news portal on Facebook and on Instagram, on Twitter, I don't know, God knows where else, where it's written that they have a picture of me and they have a picture of Sushant Singh Rajput and they have written it in caps that I've said that suicide is like a fashion nowadays. It's a lie. I have not spoken to anybody. I have not given out this statement to anybody, and there is no proof of this because I have not said it. So before coming to any conclusion and throwing your hatred at me, please try and find out the authenticity of such fake news portals, because they are grabbing our lives and they are also taking a toll on our lives, because people just believe whatever is told to them. They just don't try and understand that maybe this has not happened, maybe this is not the truth. So please, before believing such fake news, try and look for some authenticity and some sense, because I really can't make any sense why anybody should drag my name into somebody's death and try to get attention from it. It's very sad. It's very sad and I'm very disturbed with all this. Thank you.